Brand new from Makita, this is the 18-volt brushless pruning shears. And these shears feature a super responsive trigger. When you squeeze that trigger, it cuts in 1/3 of a second. But you can also just gradually press the trigger for slow incremental movement too. It's got a max cutting capacity of 30mm and it does that with ease. And you got 4 stages of blade adjustment to reduce how much the blade has to open between cuts. So if you're working in a vineyard and you've got to make thousands of tiny cuts, you can set it down to opening just 10mm and then you can just snip away really quickly. To operate the shears, first thing you do is press the power button. That gives you a slow blinking green light. The shears are now in standby mode. To get them out of standby mode, you then just double tap the trigger. And if you want to put it back into standby mode because you want to holster the tool or put it down for a second, you just press and hold that trigger for 3 seconds. Now to select one of the 4 stages of blade adjustment, fully depress the trigger and then press the blade adjustment button at the base. And you'll get a fast blinking green light. Then cycle through one of the 4 positions till you find the position that suits your application. Press and hold that button again until the green light stays solid. It'll now always return to the position you've set it to with that adjustment. And while you can power the tool off at any time and it'll shut the tool down, I like to close the blade before powering it off because the vibe just feels safer. From a single charge of a 6 amp hour LXT battery, you should be able to make up to 7,200 cuts. It's compact, lightweight, perfect for all day use, and it's available now in the Makita or your local Sydney tool store. Make sure you check it out today or head over to our website for the full specs. To order online, if you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.